If you want the ability to search and count the number of times a value occurs like this is how you can do it. First, select the data set that you want to work on. Make sure you're on Home tab here. Under Styles, click on Conditional Formatting. In here, select New Rules. Here you'll be selecting Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then in this formula section, enter this formula, Countif C2 to C6, which means C2 to C6 is where you'll be entering the numbers, and then A2 is the beginning of your data set. Now select Format. In here, click on Fill, and I'm going to select a yellow color and click OK to close and OK to close formatting rule. Now every time you enter a number, say 188, you can see those numbers that appears in this data set will get highlighted. Now to count the number of occurrence of this particular number here, simply use this formula, Countif AA. AA pertains to the whole column of A. C2 is what you're looking for on this column, and hit enter. As you can see, 188 appears twice. And I'm going to apply this to C2 all the way to C6 because I have done conditional formatting from C2 to C6. Now if you were to enter, say, a number, say 22, you can see 22 has appeared twice. What about 42? It has appeared once. And 123, it has appears none. And 45, it appeared twice.